Today I'm going to report to you a huge victory for a seller engaged in dropshipping by one of our killer paralegals, Vincent Familaro. Okay, Amazon sellers, so this is case number 02871. The client, the seller, contacted us through our website, submitted their case through this giant case submission button. We sent them an email with two links, one that goes to the written retainer agreement, one that provides a link to make payment for our services. The case came back to us, it was assigned to Vincent Familaro, and it was a drop shipper who was suspended for the very first time, and he just wanted to get his business back to go on crushing it by selling products on Amazon. Vincent Familaro showed that the products were delivered, he showed that the products were genuine, and Vincent showed Amazon staff that Amazon's consumer received exactly what that consumer expected when that consumer expected it. In the plan of action, we also identified that drop shipping was how this particular seller was learning how to use the platform, but in the future was now going to move on to different methods, a different business operation, all on Amazon. And I'm really proud of Vincent. I'm really excited to tell you that this seller's account was reactivated. He is back to selling on Amazon with the very first plan of action that we provided to him. So Vin, great job. Amazon sellers out there, if you want more information, if you want to know how we win the reactivation of accounts, reactivations of listings, contact me in any one of these 4 ways. We'll try and pick up the call as soon as it rings, or if not, we'll be back in touch with you as soon as possible.